Are you a 1% male with high status? You should never wank. Never touch yourself.
I'm not saying nothing. Them boys, they're a handful. Then I hit them with the high line. Chris Breezy with the dance moves. Jimi Hendrix with the soul.
Yo. Back again. Another day, another dollar. Day 2 of the 100k funded challenge. Yo, market opens in like 5 minutes, so I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, what I'm using, and we're going to go from there. But yo, remember, we're using the MambaFX strategy for those that don't already know. Here is my trading strategy. Only trading and looking at US30 and NAS. We're using the MambaFX strategy. New York session, 6:30 a.m. PST, 2:30 in the UK where I'm from. I'm using the Clarity Traders Accelerated Challenge account, which is this. So yesterday, let me zoom this for you. Yesterday we made 1%, 0.98%. We're up 975. We've got another 7 bags to make. As you can see here, boom, 100k challenge. Here are the rules. So profit target is 8%. We need 5 minimum trading days. Max daily drawdown is 5%. This is where most people and 90% of people fail on prop firm challenges. It's actually the daily loss. So over the risking, over leveraging, all that bullshit. And max overall loss is 8%. But yo, good start. Yesterday's trade was okay. And yeah, we go again. So let's see what we got. Right, cool. So we got US30 on the left. Got NASDAQ on the right. So first thing I'm going to do is draw out levels. So we have our resistance on US30, our support. Okay, cool. And I can see there's like a bit of a trend line going on with this. So that's another confluence as well. If it was to go for a sell, for example. Just going to also look at the 15. Something I like to do sometimes can be cleaner. Okay. Interesting. Now, I'm personally going to go for, I see more of a sell around here. Okay, cool. We've got this fair value gap we can go off as well. Okay, cool. So I'm going to put it back to 5. Yeah. So I personally would prefer to go off of breaking this area zone here. Just like that, just like so. Take profit zones. Let's add them in now. I'm going to pick my take profit based off of here. If we go for a sell, that's for US30. Now for a buy, I would probably go for a sell. I mean an exit, a TP around there. Again, this is just areas of where I believe that price can reverse. Market has just opened. Okay, cool. So I'm paying attention to both of these. All right, cool. Now we just wait for the break, and we take our trade. I also need to take a look at news. Big Mommy gave you a bomba clap here. Come on. See this? We got a big fat rejection on NAS here. Let's draw this in. Short position for NAS. If we do take a sell. It's looking like it wants to push up. See what happens. Right, we're potentially going to take a buy on US30. Right, I'm in. Boom, I'm in. I'm in the buy on US30. Okay. Right, yeah, let's go. See what happens, yeah, I'm in there. Come on. Oh, big fat there. Nazi's showing a big fat rejection at the same time. Yeah. Just be patient, man. Just be patient. Just follow the process. That's all I'm gonna do. Follow my rules. Follow my steps. Just, you know, if we lose, we can potentially take a re-entry. I would like us to fill all this area, but we'll see. Come on. That looks like he wants to go for sell. Right, should we get ready to exit this trade? Alright, exit that trade. Fuck that trade. So we lost that trade there. Right then, yo boys, as I'm sat here eating my jerk chicken, I've just realised as I'm watching this back, like, if we look at the volume before I even entered this fucking trade, it was so slow. Like, when it took so long for me to even fucking take a trade, And 2, even when I was in the trade, it was just like moving wank. So based off of like what I've just watched back now, with the volume that was there, with it being so slow, and just this entire MambaFX strategy is based off of volume, right? And when it's not there, I should have probably just walked away after this trade, to be honest with you. But anyway, back to the video. Are you a high status male? You didn't do 1,000 push-ups this morning. Gay. You are gay. You must be gay. Alright, come on. This is gonna fucking do some or what? Alright, we're in a NASBUY. If this shit, I've just done a fucking 0.01, bitch. Ah, fuck. Oh, I'm so late to that. I just missed that. I've just fucking missed it. Oh, I mean, it might have actually been a blessing in disguise that I fucking ended. Yeah. I think it's just been a blessing in disguise that I fucking misplaced and. Oh, yeah. So glad I didn't enter that trade now with a proper lot size. Right, last trade. Right, are we going to enter? Let's see. Right, win US 30. Win US 30. A little premature there. But I feel like it wants to come down. So, yeah. Hopefully this fucking wins. If it goes back up and we lose, we're out. We're done for the day. We walk away and we're down. But it is what it is. Now, if we can make it happen, make it win, that would be nice. There's no way that's just fucking done some bullshit again. There's no way. Come on, just go down.
Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag.
Financial freedom, they say. Time freedom, they say. Time freedom. Time freedom. Where the fuck is all my time? It's just one of them days, man. It's just one of them days. Yep. We are out. Yo, boys, last thing, I'm going to add this to the P&L. The link will be in the description. You can see every trade I've taken, how much we made every single day. But as you can see, we've won every single day since I've had this channel. Today is the first official losing day of the channel. Also, every single time I finish a trade, I'm going to add it to this Google Doc so you can go and check the screenshots. As well, I'll attach in the YouTube videos to every single trade as well. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, go for it. Again, the link for the prop for my use is here. We've got a 90% win rate so far. But yeah, as well, tomorrow, boys, I'm probably likely not going to trade since the news is so fucked up tomorrow. We've got CPI news around the same time that we're trading as well. Thursday, fucked. Friday, I mean, it's shit as it is, and it's also got really big red folder news. So I potentially might not trade on this challenge for the rest of the entire week, to be honest with you. But in the meantime, if you've got any questions and any comments that you want to ask me below, feel free to comment below, ask me, and I'm going to be making content either way every single day. So this is an opportunity now where if you ask me a question, I can answer it in detail and create content around it. So yo, see you tomorrow. Push.
You should never wank. Never touch yourself.